Ariaria mamano. Keleno. Bono. Asim Gambia Uranium Winnie Nemina Ariaria. Ahotaram Nandio Mekome. Patara Eva one day or Tuesday. Yambabu ndi police abụọ. Rukwana yesterday or Wednesday. A massive operation here. And a lot of innocent people were affected. Asikamuranya mbia. Mukwana na adizike mechiri Ariaria mechi. Agwalam ndị police na ndị army. Onye nom na kefe wo brigade commander onye isi ndị army. Onye nom na akari wo commissioner of police. Ndị DSS nọkwa ndị civil defense. Anyị dum bịara ka anyị hụ ihe na-eme na. Anyị sị ka anyị gwuo unu na onwe agha anyị na-alụ. Anyị asịkwa na onye ọ na-aga mehie ahịa. Ndị polisi na ndị amị ga-ahụzi ugbu a ga-enye unu protection. So what I'm saying is that it is unfortunate that some criminals attacked policemen here 2 days ago. And in response, there was a reprisal attack. But unfortunately, reprisal attacks, like I have said, always end up with the wrong people. Because the criminals will probably have run away. But we must track down the criminals. So having noticed that you close your shops in fear, I've come to reassure you that you shouldn't fear. Please open your shops. And any security man you see, whether police, army, DSS, or civil defense, they will come to give you protection, not to attack you. So, but we will continue in the search for the criminals, because we will not allow criminals to distract us. We have a lot of work we are doing already, and no criminal can be stronger than government. We will track them down. So we'll also use this opportunity to warn anyone that wants to get involved in criminal activities. We are going to deal with them, we'll flush them out. And so go about your lawful business, open your shops, you will be protected and nobody will be molested. Thank you.
Subscribe on YouTube at Film Woods TV.